Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Sign into the Google account tied to Gemini and enable photo features. Once done, pick your source image, a recent smartphone shot, or a RAW export for best detail. Make sure app permissions are granted for camera and photos. If you plan voice prompts, allow the microphone. Next, open Gemini Photo, tap Create or Edit, and import the selected file. This sequence reduces wasted conversions and preserves quality for the AI edits that follow. Now you move into editing. Use Magic Erase to remove distractions, adjusting brush size for precision and using Preview to verify edges. Once cleaned, apply lighting and color adjustments, try a preset to establish mood, then refine exposure, highlights, and temperature with sliders to keep skin tones natural. For larger composition changes, use Generative Fill. Describe the new background. Set coherence lower for creative results or higher for realism, and accept variations you can tweak further. Finish by exporting at original resolution to preserve detail. Choose JPEG for web or PNG for transparency, and set quality to 90% or higher. Inspect the image at 100% zoom for artifacts. Correct small issues with a local healing brush or repeat Magic Erase on edges. If the generative changes look unnatural, revert to the previous version, lower the coherence setting, or rephrase the prompt with clearer constraints. One tip: try 2-3 variations and combine the best parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.